So we've got award-winning innovation and research and development happening right here in Stuttgart in conjunction with our team in Texas, developing some truly groundbreaking products.
Stuttgart and Saltillo complement each other. Through both of these facilities, we have been able to exponentially increase our production. When we set out to develop a production strategy, we wanted to make sure we could serve our national accounts that have complex product lines through our Stuttgart factory. We maintain our configure-to-order products here in the Stuttgart factory. Those products leverage the expertise from our production line workers, as every unit is configured to order to match a specific application.
There was a lot of support that came with the launch of the Saltillo factory, and it's really bonded our two commercial factories, the Stuttgart location and the Saltillo location, as part of a broader family.
Saltillo was able to relieve a lot of the high volume that we build that targets the emergency replacement market, which is more standard efficiency units, standard configurations, perfect for that type of environment.